Hello, welcome to Not for Exam, and I am your host Sujit, and we are going to discuss velocity and acceleration of different points in pure rolling. Let's take a look at the given figure of a rigid body in pure rolling moving along a straight line. For continuous pure rolling, V is equal to R omega and A is equal to R alpha. Velocity of any point on the body is velocity of center of mass plus velocity with respect to center of mass, and acceleration of any point will be acceleration of center of mass plus acceleration with respect to center of mass. Now we can see that from vector addition that velocity of point R is V plus R omega, that is 2V, and velocity of point Q and S have magnitude V root 2. Also we can easily find velocity of any other point by vector addition. Also acceleration of any point is equal to acceleration of center of mass plus acceleration with respect to center of mass, and by using vector addition we can easily find the acceleration of any point. Since acceleration of center of mass is a, and with respect to center of mass, acceleration has two components. One is tangential acceleration, that is R alpha, and other is centripetal acceleration, that is omega square R. Now by using vector addition we can find acceleration of point P, point Q, point R or point S or any other general point on the rigid body. Thanks for watching Not for Exam, and we will see you next time.